In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a checkout page from Circle.so on your website. Whether you're looking to streamline the payment process for your community or integrate a seamless checkout experience, this step-by-step guide will make it easy for you to bring a checkout page directly to your site. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to log into your Circle.so admin account, navigate to the Circle.so login page, and enter your credentials to access your admin dashboard. This is where you'll manage your community settings, so it's important to get familiar with this environment if you aren't already. Once you're in your dashboard, the next step is to head over to the settings section. Here you'll find various options, but our focus today is on payments. Click on payments and then navigate to plans. This is where all of your membership plans or paid offerings are listed, and you'll select the plan that you want to share through your website. After you've selected the relevant plan, the next move is to share the checkout link. Look for the option labeled Share Checkout Link and click it to copy the checkout URL. This URL is essentially the link that potential customers will use to access your payment page, and it's a critical piece of this process. Now that you have your checkout URL, it's time to transition to your website builder. Depending on whether you're using WordPress, Wix, or another platform, you'll need to add an embed or HTML block to your site. This is usually found in the editing tools when you're working on the page you want to modify. Essentially, this block will serve as the placeholder for your checkout page. Once your embed or HTML block is in place, paste in a simple iframe code. Make sure to replace the Your Plan link section with the specific link to your plan. To be specific, your code will look something like this. Open bracket iframe src equals https your community dot circle. So check out your plan link. Width equals 100%. Height equals 800. Style equals border none. Close bracket iframe, close bracket. This code embeds the Circle checkout page directly into your site, maintaining your branding and providing potential customers with the ability to complete their purchase without navigating away. Now, as the final step, don't forget to save and publish your page. Confirming these changes ensures that your new checkout page is live and functional on your website. Remember to test the page yourself to ensure everything looks and works as you expect. And there you have it. You just embedded a Circle.so checkout page on your website. This integration